So hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to tell what is in cloud computing. So if this video is nice, hit a like, share and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So cloud computing is one of the demand resources, especially in data storage and computer power. The term describes data centers to the many users. So example of cloud computing is use of hardware and software to use internet for many users. So this is the example of cloud computing. So with cloud computing, user can access files, apps and many other things, many applications. They can use apps. So for example, you can take one app. For example, you can take PUBG. So PUBG, many of the users can download. So this is the example. This is one more example of cloud computing. From any device, they can access. From any device they can access internet. For example, you can take Google Drive. So Google Drive, if we store any pictures or videos, so we can see from other devices by login with the permission of the other main user. So this is with the main user. This is in Google Drive. Another example is Gmail. So this is main example. So because Gmail is used by many users, so if we log in our mobile Gmail, and we can log in other mobile with the access of internet Gmail. So just we need to enter the password and we need to access the permissions. So we can another person also can access our application like Gmail, so they can also access. So this is the use of cloud computing, and it was invented or discovered by Joe Scral, and he invented the cloud computing, and it will be private until you decide it to share to others. So this is the main use of cloud computing, and much other information is not important. These are the main points which is use of cloud computing. So if this video is nice, hit a like, share and subscribe to our channel. So this is Varun signing off until next video.